Hi, Madeleine here from Sonic Bloom with a new episode of the Ableton Live Insider tips. This time I thought I'd share a really neat trick with you, how you can apply effects like reverb or delay on just the transients of a sound. That works best with anything that is percussive, obviously, because it has the sharpest transients. So we're going to start this off with a drum kit, but I'm also going to show it with a percussive sound as well. The way we can achieve this is by using the gate. And so we're going to just drop in the gate. I'm actually going to set the return down to 0, the attack to the lowest. I'm going to set the hold to about 250 milliseconds, and then the release to about 30. And I'm going to make sure that the floor is all the way down as well. And I don't want any look ahead. So now we're going to have to dial in the threshold. That should be all right. Now I'm gonna use Command G or Control G on Windows to group the gate into a rack. And then I'm gonna open the chain and duplicate that with Command D or Control D on Windows. And the second one, we're going to leave the exact same, except we're going to flip it. And what this means now is that we do have the full sound again. We can just listen to that. And the second chain is the one that we can apply the effect to. I think I'm going to grab this grain delay preset and just quickly adjust it a little bit. Let's have a listen. And as you can see here, it actually has quite a high dry-wet setting, and it's still not overwhelming. I'm going to drag it outside again so you can hear the difference. So that's the one, and I'm going to just duplicate this so we can save a little bit of time, and I'm going to drag the second one into my second track and solo that. And I'm going to take this one out and actually get rid of the second chain, because we have to dial in the threshold for this one as well first. Right here. Flip it, and now we can add any effect we like. I think I'm gonna grab an echo. I like the dub syndicate quite a bit. Drag that into the second chain again. And let's just have a listen. And for comparison with the effect outside. which isn't too overwhelming in this case, but here I could increase the dry wet again as well. Well, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye!